So good day guys, and welcome to a new episode. I just realized something about the manifold on my car. You can see here, the manifold rubs the diesel pump over here. It can be a reason why I really couldn't feel the boost as much as it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna grind some of the nut down on the manifold and see if it fixed. Last week I had some oil drops on the oil pan, and I didn't know where it came from, but now I think I know where it came from. So take a look at this. We have over here from the glödrör, I don't know what it is in English, but glow plug maybe it is, and from over there you can see it's splashed up around all the glue, the plug. And this one I have tighten it, and I'm gonna tighten this one as well. All of the other ones, they are, let's see if I can come down there, they are pretty darn good. There's nothing around them and everything, so it's good. There's some diesel over there I can see, but I will fix that, and hopefully next time I drive it there is no oil coming from the oil pan. So it's day 2. I had a very successful test yesterday with the BMW on a secret location. It makes boost, it makes big boost. I'm very happy with the result. It's very good so far. Today I'm going to install fuel lines for the water methanol kit and the solenoid to control it. Here are some lines on computer for the pump. I don't need it because I have the VMCCU to control everything. And this is the, I don't know how big this is, but this is the one that's going into the intake manifold. Over here somewhere. I think I will put it over here. I'm not sure yet. On this pipe actually. I don't have any clamps for this one yet. Maybe I can put it in between of where I have like the radiator hose. Not sure yet. Otherwise I just buy some clamps for it. So I've got this far. I'm gonna mount it on here with this, screw it on, and I have this tape to wind on here. Gonna sit over here somewhere from the tank up to the pump on this side, also so I can pull the tank out a little bit just to refill, or what I do, I think I can refill it over here. I need some hose or something to help pour it into the tank. From here I need to go down underneath the car and forward. I'm gonna put it on like this, and over here inside this, down, so we can punch through and tighten it. Now I have screwed it in place with the hose and everything and tighten the screw over there. I just need to put it inside here, thread the line out on the other side, in place. Everything fits. It's on the pump. Now I need to take it from the pump down under the car and to the engine. So let's get the car up in the air so I can see underneath where I can put the piping. So far so good. I got the hose up in the engine bay, and now I need to fit this solenoid. I got clear instruction to put it very close to the nozzle, so I just cut out this plate and drilled 2 holes in it, and I also grinded down to bare metal over here, and I'm gonna weld it on like this, or maybe so. And when you fabricate stuff, always test fit yours when you build something. Test fit before you weld it or screw it in place. This looks good, but before it was like this, and the hose is going like rub this tower all the time, so I moved it a little bit out. So this is good. Now is everything connected and into the intake manifold. Boom. I have a zip tie here because I have no 4mm bolts for this one underneath, so I just zip tied it for now. And over here everything is connected up to the pump, from the pump, in the pump. The only thing I need for the water methanol kit is to have the power for the solenoid. So that's everything I need to do for the water methanol kit. Also in the last episode I wanted to do this. I can't remember, I did like an after clip when I mounted it and everything, but here's how it is. It's very steady. So hopefully that works. I haven't done so much in this episode because I haven't had time to film anything because I have a lot of other stuff to do. And I also did this trolley for the TIG welder, so I can pull it out and not bring everything to my workbench over there. So now I can also TIG weld on the car. So that's a big thumbs up. And also shout out to Simon at SP Creation for lending me some tools to cut some pipes up and everything. So thanks for that. That's it for now, people, and the next episode isn't gonna be next week. The next episode is gonna be in 2 weeks because I have a lot of stuff to do with work, so I'm not gonna be able to film anything at all next week. So see you in 14 days.